Do you want to add an old movie look to your videos with BoolVideo online editor? Start by heading over to BoolVideo, then go to click Explore More to access the editor. Then upload your raw footage by clicking Medium in the left sidebar. Once uploaded, add the clips directly to your main video timeline. Preview the footage. Then click Filters and select the effect named Vintage. Apply the filter to your entire video for an end-to-end movie vibe. Voila! Now your entire video has an movie vibe. Just go to BoolVideo and use this powerful editor to transform your content into mesmerizing experience easily.